To remove or replace the rear door card, press the trim clips in around the outside of the door card. Using a very sharp trim tool like Bojo Tip 9, remove the cover for the T25 torque screw. Once the screw is removed, you'll be able to pull the door card away, up, undo the door handle cable and release the connector for the window switch. To replace with the new door card, connect the electrics, replace the door handle cable, to replace the trim clips around the outside, pull the centre out, push into position and lock by pressing the centre in. With all the clips back in place, tighten the torque screw and replace the little plastic cover, and that's the door card replaced.